Hi everyone, my name is Leah Chignette and I am an applied human nutrition student here at Mount St. Vincent University and part of the Breakfast and Beyond program funded by Medivy. Today I will be making broccoli and cheddar bites. This breakfast or snack is easy to prepare and perfect for on the go. Please note this recipe is not milk, egg, or mustard free. This recipe makes 12 servings, takes 15 to 20 minutes to prepare, and 15 to 20 minutes to bake. The ingredients you will need for this recipe are quinoa, broccoli florets, low-fat old cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, dry or fresh can be used, flaxseed meal, eggs, onion powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, salt, and ground black pepper. You will also need cooking spray or butter to grease your muffin tray. The equipment you will need for this recipe is 1 large mixing bowl, 1 medium mixing bowl, 1 12-slot muffin tray, 1 spoon or spatula, 1 whisk or fork, 1 knife, 1 fork, an oven, and oven mitts. It's best to have all your ingredients prepared before you start cooking like I have here. I have already measured all the ingredients. I have finely chopped the broccoli florets. I have shredded the low-fat old cheddar cheese. The eggs have been cracked in a bowl and whisked. And the quinoa has been cooked according to package instructions. Quinoa is a whole grain. Including whole grains in your diet can help lower your risk for chronic disease such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease. 1 cup of uncooked quinoa usually makes 3 cups of cooked quinoa. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups of cooked quinoa, so use about 2/3 of a cup of uncooked quinoa. First, preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, let's prepare the 12-cup muffin tray. Use cooking spray to lightly grease the surface of each muffin cup in the muffin tray. If you prefer, you can also use muffin liners instead of cooking spray or butter to prevent your muffins from sticking to the muffin tray. If you are using butter to grease your muffin tray, use a small amount on parchment paper to do this. Once your tray is greased, set it aside. Now, let's start to mix together the ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, add 2 cups of cooked and cooled quinoa, 1 cup of finely chopped broccoli florets, 1 cup of shredded low-fat old cheddar cheese, 1/3 cup of flaxseed meal, and 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. To make this recipe milk-free, use dairy alternative cheeses. Next, to the medium mixing bowl, we'll add 2 large eggs, 1/2 teaspoon of mustard powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. To make this recipe mustard-free, don't add the mustard powder. Whisk together all of these ingredients using your whisk or fork. Whisking is done by moving the fork in the liquid in small circular motions. Next, add the wet ingredients into your quinoa and broccoli mixture. Using your spoon or spatula, stir together the ingredients until they are combined. Now we are going to fill the prepared muffin tray with our broccoli and cheddar mixture. Using a spoon or spatula, transfer about 1/3 cup of the mixture into each muffin cup. Use the back of the spoon or spatula to press the mixture down. Pressing the mixture will help the broccoli and cheddar bites stick together. Once the mixture is added to the muffin tray, put the muffin tray into the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's take the broccoli and cheddar bites out of the oven. To check if the broccoli and cheddar bites are fully cooked through, use the toothpick test. Insert a toothpick into the center of the broccoli and cheddar bite, and if it comes out clean, it is done. They will also be golden brown in color. Once the broccoli and cheddar bites are out of the oven, let them cool on the stovetop for 5 minutes before removing them from the muffin tray. Once the broccoli and cheddar bites are cooled, remove them from the muffin tray by running a butter knife in between the wall of the muffin tray and the sides of the broccoli and cheddar bites. Then use a clean fork to take the bite out of the muffin tray. The bites are best served when warm, and leftovers can be stored in the fridge for up to 3 days. There you have it, broccoli and cheddar bites. These can be enjoyed on their own or served with plain yogurt or fruit. Thanks for cooking with us.